Hi, I'm Boss Versal, and this is a slightly different kind of video than my other biking ones. I recently moved from the city of Tukwila to the Beacon Hill neighborhood in Seattle, and I want to reflect on the morning bike commute that I took for around 4 years. Let's take a look at the route. While there is a safer, less stressful route, I am not a morning person, so I would usually be running late and have to use the quickest and most direct route. I would then use my evening bike commute to take a variety of routes back home. Let's ride my old bike commute from Tukwila into downtown Seattle. Starting out, I would turn onto a 35-mile-an-hour arterial with bike lanes and views of the parallel elevated light rail tracks. I'd follow 42nd Avenue as it goes uphill to Foster High School. After that is a nice downhill section. Riding along East Marginal Way, I would pass by the south base for King County Metro's buses. Getting to a bridge over the Duwamish River, I would sometimes pull over to enjoy the morning views. East Marginal Way is not a very bike-friendly road, but it is the fastest way through the Duwamish Valley. One morning, I encountered road closures because many of the telephone poles had fallen down. Getting into Georgetown, I would enjoy the brief section of bike lane, especially on days with heavy traffic congestion. To get to First Avenue, I would hop onto the sidewalk to get around the congestion that always builds up at the stoplight. First Avenue is also not a very bike-friendly road. Sometimes, the shadows cast by the morning sun would create makeshift bike lanes on the bridge over the train tracks, and drivers would leave me extra room. After crossing Spokane Street, I would head onto parallel Occidental Avenue for a nice break from the fast traffic. I would ride with traffic on First Avenue until getting to T-Mobile Park, where I'd again go onto Occidental Avenue. I love riding past the stadiums and through Occidental Square. Getting into downtown Seattle, I would hop on to the protected bike lanes on Gessler Way and 2nd Avenue. I would then use Cherry Street to get to the 4th Avenue bike lane. When this video comes out, this section of the 4th Avenue bike lane will already have been made into a two-way protected bike lane. Finally, I would turn onto University Street and use it to get to my office building. Thank you for joining me on my old bike commute. See you on my next ride.